Right then, step one of making our seat unit. Then I found the old seat unit mould in the loft, fantastic. And what I've been doing, I've been giving it loads and loads of coats of wax. I had to look back at the old video when we were making the original to remember how to do this, and I hope I'm going to get this right. So first off, loads of wax. It's had loads of coats of wax. That's done. Next thing we've got to do then is to put on some release agent. And remember, or looking back at the video, Ian put it on with a sponge, and so he just sort of wiped it on with the sponge. Okay, so let's have a go at that. This is our workbench. We're working in the back of the camper because we've got pretty good light in here, so yeah, I think it'll work okay. Should we give this a shake first, do you think? This is all the old stuff. I've got some old fiberglass and stuff, but I had to buy some new gel coat because I didn't have any of that. It would be a bloody miracle if this actually works. It would be a bloody miracle if I can get the lid off. Come on. Right then, so that has dried in there, so hopefully it'll be all right. I guess the worst that could happen is we won't be able to remove the seat unit from it. But you know, we'll see how we get on. We'll see how we get on. So it says with this stuff, that's a kilogram there. It says to 500 grams. 500 grams. Where did it? 500 grams per meter squared, and I reckon that won't be a meter squared in there, will it? So we're going to do 400 grams, and then we're going to mix it at 2%. You can mix it at 1, 2, or 3%. It says. So we've got our scales. So we'll go. This is quite exciting, isn't it? Let's go 400 grams. Oh, I forgot about the smell of this stuff. It's lovely. 2, 3. That's quite a lot. Let's go.
I'm alright, mate. Okay, thanks for coming in and having a chat. Oh, mate, thanks for having me, mate. Not many people are out, mate.
363 grams we've gone. 363 grams. Right, I don't know how long the video is going to last because I've got hardly any space on the phone. But this has gone off pretty good. So we're just mixing up some resin. Now the problem I've got is this resin is really old and it's really hard. So I don't know whether this will work. But bear in mind, all we're doing is we're just making something to make the plug with. So it doesn't matter really, as long as it's strong enough to hold itself together. So I'm going to try and mix this. I'm going to do it at 1% this time. Okay, so I don't know how much of the last video I'm going to show you, but basically what I did, I used my old resin and tried making a seat unit, and the resin was gone off, so it buggered up completely. So where are we? I've just done this now, and I bought some new resin, and I'm just making then another seat unit, the same as the seat unit off the bike, so it gives us a starting point, doesn't it? So hopefully in the next little clip we'll be taking that out, and it will give us something to go with, something to work with, won't it? Okay, so I'll see you in a minute. However, probably the next video after this one is going to be something completely different. It's going to be about this. Dear oh dear, you'll like it, I'm sure. Okay, brilliant. So I've made another seat unit then, just same as the old one, with the same old mould that we made before, and this gives us a good starting point then to try and reshape then another plug. But it just popped out of the mould. Fantastic. I don't know if you remember the grief we had getting the old one out. This one just popped out, which is absolutely brilliant. I did make it a bit thinner because obviously it's not going to be used as such. But yeah, so we've got something to start with now. So now we've got to decide exactly what we're going to do.